Avocado oil is a great way to add extra health benefits to your favorite recipes. It's full of monounsaturated fats, which are known for their ability to lower bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol. Did you know that avocado oil is also high in vitamin E? It's an antioxidant that helps protect cells from free radicals, a.k.a. the bad guys. Avocado oil is also a healthy alternative to frying foods in vegetable oil and an excellent substitute for butter in recipes. If you want to save money on store-bought avocado oil, you can make it yourself at home. To make avocado oil at home, you'll need a few ripe or overripe avocados, a hand masher, blender, or food processor, a parchment paper-lined tray or similar surface, a muslin cloth, nut milk bag, or similar material, a sterilized glass container. Here are the instructions for this recipe. 1. Prepare the avocado paste. First, mash the avocados thoroughly until they form a smooth paste. You can mash the avocado with a hand masher, puree it in a blender, or use a food processor. However, the paste from a machine is smoother and dries more evenly, making the results a little bit better. Once mashed, spread the avocado paste thinly over a parchment paper-lined tray or similar surface. Make sure to keep the layer below 1/2 inch thickness and use multiple trays if necessary. 2. Allow the paste to dry. Let the avocado paste dry naturally in a well-ventilated area and away from direct sunlight for a few days. This may take longer if the climate or weather is not conducive to drying. Once the top of your avocado mixture has turned brown, mix it well and spread it again into a thin layer. You'll need to do this at least twice a day, usually in the morning and evening. Keep doing this until you have a very dark brown-colored paste. But if it is slightly chunky, you may still have a few green bits. If the paste is smooth and uniform looking, it's probably entirely brown. Some people wait to squeeze the paste until it is almost completely dry, which can make extracting the oil difficult. One good way to know if it is ready is to look at the spoon when mixing the paste. The first few times you mix the paste, it will pick up avocado. But when it's ready, you'll notice that the paste no longer sticks to the spoon. Instead, it will look slightly oily. Enjoying the video? Then give a like and share with your friends to help the channel. 3. Extract the avocado oil. Place the avocado paste in a muslin cloth, nut milk bag, or similar material. Now you can either hand squeeze the oil into a container or leave it to drain naturally. If there are still any bits in the oil, strain it once more when decanting it into a sterilized glass container. And that's it, you've made avocado oil. See how easy that is? Use avocado oil for cooking, as a moisturizer, as a hair treatment, or even as an ingredient in homemade beauty products. Avocado oil should last for months, possibly up to a year, when you store it in an airtight container away from direct heat and sunlight. Here are other tips and tricks for making avocado oil. If you want to make organic avocado oil, simply use organic avocados. And if you're buying avocados from a farmer's market, look out for overripe avocados. You'll often get them at a lower price. Use overripe avocados that you have at home. If you want to wait until you have a good amount before making the oil, freeze the overripe avocados until you have enough. Thaw frozen avocados on the counter before using them. If you plan on using avocado oil to treat any skin condition, it may be best to consult your doctor first or do a skin patch test to check for potential allergies. Have you ever made avocado oil? How did it go? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get your free ebook in the description box below, which includes my favorite recipes and natural health tips.